Hi everyone, and welcome to Lidle's Solution Short Series. The topic of this presentation is recovery, which represents our combined account updating and authorization recycling solutions. In this presentation, we'll discuss what recovery is, what types of businesses can benefit from it, and how recovery can help maximize the success of your payments program. So let's start by defining what recovery is and some of the benefits that it provides. Recovery combines our best-in-class account updating and authorization recycling capabilities into a single solution. Using account updating, recovery ensures that payment authorizations are being submitted using the most up-to-date card information. And through authorization recycling, it retries previously failed authorizations using analytical retry strategies. Recovery can help your business optimize approvals after initial declines, minimize customer attrition, and increase the value over your customers' lifetimes. So what types of businesses can benefit from using recovery? If you charge customers in regular intervals using subscription-based or recurring revenue models, recovery can help keep the impact of disrupted payment streams to a minimum. This is also true for businesses that offer their customers the option of paying for purchases over time through installment billing. And finally, if you offer your customers the option of keeping their card information on file, recovery can help maintain fresh card data for future purchases. For businesses that rely on recurring revenue, turning declined authorizations into approvals is priority number one. And declines happen for a number of reasons, including those outlined here, and they can vary by business type. Some of the most common reasons for declines include account number replacement or expiration and insufficient funds or credit limit. They can negatively impact your business for the reasons that you see listed here on the right-hand side of the screen. It's important to start by understanding your company's initial approval percentage and the approval percentage of payments that follow that initial authorization. This can help you understand and quantify the impact that declined authorizations are having on your bottom line. So what are your options for recovering declined authorizations? Some of the options available include traditional outreach like phone calls and direct mail, which can be time-consuming, costly, and have unpredictable response rates. Another option is digital outreach, which could mean email communications or, in the case of online services, perhaps a digital notice that pops up when the user's logging in, informing them that they have an outstanding balance. The effectiveness of digital outreach is really going to depend on the service that's being offered and how sticky or what personal investment the consumer has with that service. For example, if you're storing personal information on their behalf, like photos or files, the customer might be more likely to respond with updated payment information. And finally, there's the option of using behind-the-scenes solutions, like recovery, through your payment processor to refresh card information and retry failed authorizations on your behalf. So let's discuss in detail how recovery does this. The automatic account updater component of recovery shifts the workload off of you and onto us, so you can totally focus on your business and not worry about managing the card update process. Using automatic account updater, you simply bill cards as you do now. And if a decline happens, we go out and look for the updated card information and store it on your behalf. When you retry the authorization, we apply the new information on the fly, we send the transaction to the network and get an approval. Our ability to update card information on the fly is what really distinguishes this service, so it allows you to do everything exactly as you do now, and we take care of that process behind the scenes. If you have a regular recurring billing cycle, we can proactively look for the update ahead of time, so typically 5 days in advance, which removes the headache of having to do it after the fact. We currently offer automatic account updating for MasterCard, Visa, and Discover. The authorization recycling component of recovery automatically retries declined authorizations using optimal retry patterns, again shifting the workload off of you and onto us. We've analyzed our portfolio, which contains billions of transactions, to uncover optimal retry patterns according to specific decline reasons, card types, issuing banks, and other factors. And we've applied that analytical approach to our retry logic so we can optimize your program on your behalf. Automatic account updating works in conjunction with authorization recycling to get updates and apply them when the retries occur. A key benefit of our solution is that you don't have to self-manage staying within card brand regulations that limit the number of retries that you can attempt over a specific time period. And there's minimal IT investment to adopt this solution. So why choose recovery? First, we have flexible implementation options based on your needs. Our fully managed service allows you to just turn it on and lets you focus on your core business by leveraging our expertise in managing payments. If you're not ready for the fully managed recycling solution, you can implement recovery with just the account updating function. And if you need us to return the updated card information via account updating, our match service option can pass you the updated account information in either the authorization response or in a batch file. Secondly, recovery uses success-based pricing, meaning you only pay fees when you've realized the value of a recovered sale. When you successfully capture an authorization, you pay a small percentage of the ticket price. Recovery also offers reports that allow you to evaluate performance through graphic displays, key performance indicators, and more. 2 recovery reports are available: the snapshot report, which shows the performance for a selected period, and the cohort report, which shows the performance of a given set of transactions over time. And finally, and most importantly, results. Results will vary depending on your type of business, but we've seen best-in-class businesses recover 30 to 40% of initial declines using recovery, and this is with no other customer outreach efforts. However, when you use this in tandem with customer outreach efforts, so those traditional approaches or digital approaches that we discussed earlier, 50 to 60% of declines can be recovered. And we've seen anywhere up to 7% of overall revenue being recovered. So talk to us today and see what recovery can do for you. To learn more about recovery and how it can help your business, please reach out to your Litle representative or email us at ask@litle.com. Thank you.